everyone, welcome back to Mini Resin Chef, where we are a community of adult collectors and creators of miniatures. I'm your host Resin Bell, and today we're going to be getting up to some mischief with alphabet soup. We're going to make 3 different dishes, so come on and join us, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's get cooking with resin. Okay guys, so for the first dish, I'm just going to start out like a regular tomato or alphabet soup, and we're just going to mix in the soup and the alphabets and get those curing for our first layer. So let's pour in a little bit of our soup here. Now these are the Miniverse letters. I had to kind of sort them and everything, and here we have some letters that we're going to play with later. But for now, we're doing our first layer. We're just adding in some of these alphabets. Need to mix those up real good, and then we'll cure. Okay, so now we're going to get started with this one. I am going to put my soup in this big spoon because we're going to make a big pot. I want to make it larger. So I'm using the big spoons and the big bowl for the Caesar salad. And I want to make a special bowl for the Mini Resin Chef herself. And so I can put my letters on. Now the letters are ready. I like that. That's pretty cute. So we're going to cure that and move on. Alright, so I'm just wrapping a little piece of plastic. These are the plastic bags that the noodles came in. One of them, one end I'm putting under this side. The other end I'm just wrapping around so I can create a curve because I want to create some drips on that. Okay, I can make more later if I need more. Let's add some soup to our bowl. Okay, I had to kind of reposition a little bit because I don't have a little UV light. All I have is a large one. So I got the spoon in there. I just put a little drip on the back and just held it as it ran down with the light on it to freeze it like that. Got my drips cured in, and I'm going to be kind of beefing up those drips some. So. Now I think we'll go ahead and put our last layer here. these don't look like dry noodles sitting on the top, I'm just going to take my little silicone brush and I'm going to kind of brush over all of those noodles, making sure they're all nicely covered, but not, you know, sinking down into the resin. So there we go. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna let it set for just a second so it can kind of level out. I don't have a bunch of streaks. And then we'll cure, and I think we'll call that one done and we'll move on to the first one. Okay, so while that one's curing, we're gonna move back to our first one. We're gonna add a little bit of resin. Pretty happy with that. I'm going to cure it and then I'm going to put an extra layer on top. Okay guys, now for our final one. I've been wanting to make one of these ever since I saw someone do this, making the kind of Ouija board out of spilled soup basically. I've got kind of like a, you know, Halloween-y heart and I just think it's hilarious, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a fake Ouija board with this, so let's get this put on there right now. So this is the board that comes with the hamburgers, and yeah, so we're just going to spill some soup here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, okay, my camera died, so yeah, this is what I've got so far. And I'm fixing to make a little planchette out of a spicy nacho. I drilled a hole in the center, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of clear resin in the center and cure it, and then we're gonna dip it in a little bit of cheese just because it's fun. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really enjoyed playing with the little alphabet noodles. They're so much fun, and yeah, I've been wanting to do this one for a little while, so that was kind of fun to get to just play and do a little bit of fun stuff. Yeah, that's really cool. And this one's going with my Halloween stuff for sure, because I mean, that's just too funny. Like, come on. Anyway, all right guys, that's it for me today. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I guess we'll see you next Tuesday if you don't see me before. Bye.